Küll panna. Väljas on minus 30 kraadi. Talv juba lume.
Taking my comments for a weakness. Talking shit about me like I ain't one of the deepest. Like I ain't connected to them niggas with them sleepers. That they be happy to introduce fools to the grim people. You think you know me cause you see me on a website? Well, did you know I'm in some drama almost every night? I never said to be a fucking celebrity, so I don't know what people think, give them the right to mess with me. Feeling like they testing me, getting ready to lose control. Mama would've said use music and soothe the soul. I try to live my life for cruise control, but I feel a need to speed right now, babe, bro.
So cold in the streets, so cold anywhere that you go. Somebody take you to another place, a place where it ain't so cold. Cause it's cold, cause it's cold, and I'm cold. Cause it's cold, cause it's cold, cause it's cold, and I'm cold.
My mama with my grandfather now. If heaven got a ghetto, they in that part of town. I wonder if it get cold up there in the cloud. Cause down here, Jack Frost ain't fucking around. Even in the summertime, you can feel the wind chill. Shots light up the night, niggas getting it in still. This is where we call home. Shit is like a war zone. Try to dress warm, put the long john drawers on. Homie, it's cold, and you gon' need more than some hot chocolate. Cause when it's on, somebody spitting them Glock rockets. Say you seen something, they ain't for your eye sockets. This is our hustle, but no, you cannot knock it. It's freezing out here. You would think that it was winter season, I swear. Everywhere you can turn, the feds and the Jesus right there. Shit is like a freaking nightmare.
It's so cold in the streets.
Yes, sir.
It's so cold anywhere that you go. Somebody take you to another place, a place where it ain't so cold. Cause it's cold, cause it's cold, and I'm cold. Cause it's cold, cause it's cold, cause it's cold, and I'm cold.
Yeah, we ain't running on the block, bustin' off shots. With this deep on the block, you got me locked down in this cold. Cold, bro. Remember that shit? Shit real. It's cold out here, man. Recession. They got no money, no job. Niggas still shooting, going to jail every day. Cold. 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 Cold.
Oh yeah. Kokku tuleb. Taksu põhimõtteliselt.
Kuidas mulje on?
Ootame uuel hooajal. Päris hea, et Timo täna tuli stuntima meiega ja Martin ühines mu ex-rolleriga. See oli päris hea.
Ma hästi liigun.
Lähme.
Uuel hooajal näeb, tšau.